From the studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 9. Powered by Century Laminates, Citroën and Orient Electric.
Good evening and welcome. Was the Election Commission working on Narendra Modi's orders when Mamata Banerjee became Chief Minister for the second time in 2016? Was the Election Commission working on Amit Shah's instructions when the Trinamool Congress won the Lok Sabha by polls in November 2019? Was the Election Commission organizing violence and a bloodbath in West Bengal so that it could find a reason to have an 8-phase election? Was the Election Commission very good yesterday? Because yesterday, top Trinamool Congress leaders said, we have no problem if elections are conducted in 6 phases, 7 phases or 9 phases. And the same Election Commission becomes very bad when it announces an 8-phase election today. Ladies and gentlemen, is Mamata Banerjee getting nervous? And is that the reason why she held a press conference complaining about an 8-phase election within minutes of the Election Commission press conference? Think about it. Maybe it's not nervousness, maybe it's just apprehension. Maybe it's an acknowledgement of the fact that this election has everything at stake. Or is it because it is for her to lose the election, she has more to lose if she loses the election? Or is it because she sees the possibility of going national if she wins the election? If there's an election where there's everything at stake, it's the Bengal election, ladies and gentlemen, and that's why my first debate tonight is the Bengal date debate. Huge controversy about an 8-phase election. Mamata Banerjee's press conference adds fuel to the fire. That's debate number 1. And on the debate tonight, viewers, I have Babul Supriyo joining me in a minute. And tonight on the debate, SDPI workers arrested for the murder of RSS members ahead of the elections. That's a debate number 2 tonight. And ladies and gentlemen, deep-rooted Khalistani conspiracy to what happened at Red Fort. That's debate number 3. And here are the headlines this Friday evening on the debate tonight. The Election Commission announces poll schedule for 4 states and 1 union territory of Puducherry. Counting of votes spawned on the 2nd of May. That's result day. Bengal elections spread over a period of 33 days and 8 phases of its political violence threat. Mamata questions the poll panel, says election schedule is made to suit the BJP campaign. SDPI workers arrested in Kerala for the murder of RSS worker just ahead of elections. The threat tape out shows police in action against the PFI's political wing. Who's shielding the SDPI? And the Delhi police unearthed a deep-rooted Khalistani conspiracy to the tricolour insult of the Red Fort. Elections announced today. The road to the 2nd of May result day will be very, very exciting. We're looking at a high-stakes battle in 4 states and 1 union territory, and a massive prestige fight in the battle in Bengal. So hotly contested is the battle in Bengal that even the Election Commission was not spared today. Here's what happened minutes after the EC announcement, and then tonight, our first big debate.
भारत माता की
West Bengal, 8 phases. West Bengal, first phase, this will be 30 ACs. Date of poll, 7 March. Second phase, again 30 assembly constituencies. Date of poll, 6th April. Third phase, 31 assembly constituencies. Date of poll, 6th April. Phase 4, 44 constituencies. Date of poll, 10th April. Fifth phase, 45 assembly constituencies. Date of poll, 17th April. Phase 6, 43 constituencies. Date of poll, 22nd April. Seventh phase, 36 assembly constituencies. Date of poll, 26th April. Last phase, date of poll, 29th April.
নরেন্দ্র মোদী আর অমিত শাহর কথা হয়েছে যে তারা ইলেকশনটা করতে যাতে কোন কোন কনস্টিটিউয়েন্সিতে যাবে। আসামের ইলেকশনটা একবারে করে নিয়ে 27 মার্চের মধ্যে, এপ্রিলের 6 এর মধ্যে তামিলনাড়ু ইলেকশন করে নিয়ে একদিনে, কেরালার ইলেকশন একদিনে করে নিয়ে, এখানে 23 দিনের ফুটবল গ্রাউন্ড, 23 দিনের খেলা খেলবেন। আমাদের যে আস না এই খেলাতেও আমরা বলছি আপনাদের হেরে ভূত করে দেব।
West Bengal, 8 phases. Second phase, again 30 assembly constituencies. South 24 Pargana Part 1. Phase 4, 44 constituencies. South Pargana Part 3.
পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর পার্ট 2, পূর্ব মেদিনীপুর পার্ট 2, সাউথ 24 পরগনা পার্ট 1। এগুলো কি নরেন্দ্র মোদী আর অমিত শাহর কথা হয়েছে?
We are sending 2 special expenditure observers, police observers to West Bengal. That is our effort to. They shall also be provided with BSF helicopters.
Same man is being deputed as an observer. Earlier 2019, Mr. Dilip Dubey or somebody was the observer, and what he has done here, we know all the drama, we know all the games. So our request would be, please see, BJP has the agency power, BJP has the government of India power, but one central government cannot misuse their own power for a state election.
Union Minister of State Babul Supriyo joining me live from Asansol. Babul, good to have you. Has this been done to give the BJP an advantage? Mamata Banerjee is furious. She says this has been organized by Amit Shah and Narendra Modi 8-phase elections. She says there's no logic.
You see, a winner is a winner before he or she has won, and a loser is a loser before he or she has lost. What you see written all over Mamata Banerjee's demeanor, I won't say her face, I'm not even going to talk about her language, what she uses, what she doesn't, but making this kind of allegations is not only attacking the pillar of one of the most important pillars of democracy, something which she has disregarded and killed in the last 10 years, but also it shows, it gives a poor reflection of a chief minister who doesn't even know the actual condition of our state and how bad our law and order situation is. I mean, we would have loved to have the vote in 10 or 12 phases, but still 8 is pretty good, because if you see the geographical shape of West Bengal, the paramilitary forces it takes some time to move from one place to the other. So it's a good.
So this is what you wanted, and the problem is Mamata Banerjee's problem is over the fact that you've got it the way you wanted. She says this is done as per your requisition, almost as if you ordered it a la carte. And you are also admitting here that you did want this. This is what you wanted.
Absolutely, absolutely. Why not? Entire West Bengal wants it. We have had people sitting on the road in 2019 elections saying that
No,
we
no,
need
no, no, no. I'm not talking about entire West Bengal, but you wanted it.
Yes, we definitely. You know that BJP had requested all political parties. What did Congress say today? Congress a little while back, if you see Congress MLA, he had said that.
So do you expect her to be happy if you got what you wanted? Obviously not. She's going to be unhappy about it.
All of them have. All the opposition parties are happy. The people are happy. You know, I've been the entire day I was out on the road for the Parivartan Yatra. If you see some happiness on my face, it's because people are happy. I know what happened after 5 o'clock, and now people were rejoicing to know that it's going to have in 8 phases. Therefore, there's going to be no reason to say that the.
What happened after 5 o'clock? What happened after 5 o'clock? You know, what happened after 5 o'clock?
There was euphoria because you know, you could see that people have realized that the tyranny of West Bengal police under Mamata Banerjee is now gone for the next at least 2 months or so. The police is going to function as is going to be.
So you're saying if there was a 6-phase election,
by the election commission.
How does the 8-phase election reduce the tyranny of the West Bengal police?
Well, the police is not going to take Mamata Banerjee's orders, as simple as that. Because Mamata Banerjee is the orchestrator, she is the chief perpetrator, and she is the one who has ensured that vote in West Bengal is a ugly dance of democracy where people are denied their fundamental right of reaching forget about voting, reaching the booths. So that's not going to happen. That's what people are rejoicing about. And we have had all the political parties welcome the decision that is going to happen in so many phases. So it's like, you know, in a school, the bad student gets more surveillance, and the good ones are kind of, you know, in an exam hall. They know that they're not going to cheat, so they write their own exams. And the backbenchers, that like Mamata Banerjee, the way she has handled law and order, she deserves this. And we are not very happy that in West Bengal today is in the Surkio, in the headlines because of the 8-phase elections. But why is that happening? Because of the deteriorating law and order and the halat that she has put in, and how she has orchestrated the gundas of her own party. That's
Okay.
what it is.
Right. Babul, next time we meet, it will be on Republic Bangla. And what is the tagline of Republic Bangla? Babul, Kotha hobe,
Jeta hobe,
Kotha hobe choke chok rekhe. Kotha hobe choke chok rekhe. So one day, I'm going to get Mamata Banerjee on the debate, and you can debate with her. Kotha hobe choke chok rekhe.
Okay, congratulations to you on that. Have a great beginning to the
Yes,
channel.
absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you, Babul. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining me, Babul. On the Bengal date debate, okay, let's start the political debate on this. Sudhanshu Trivedi, BJP. Kanchan Gupta, Savio Rodriguez. Fantastic panel tonight. Om Prakash Mishra joining me, TMC spokespersons. Mr. Mishra is one of the most aggressive spokespersons of the Trinamool Congress. And oh my God, we have got Waris Pathan of the All India MIM. Where are you, Waris? I thought you'd be campaigning in Bengal nowadays. And we have Subir Bhaumik. Great. So what is the problem? Om Prakash Mishra, what is the problem?
Just reached Mumbai
What
after
is
winning
the
Ahmedabad,
problem?
now eyeing on Godhra, Modasa and Bharuch. Yeah, we won.
Yeah, but what happened about Murshidabad? What happened about
Ahmedabad?
Chobbish Pargona? Where are you? Where is Asaduddin Owaisi? Is he given up the Bengal contest?
See, Asad Owaisi, he's an MP. He can speak in the temple of democracy, that is the parliament. But when application were applied for permission to hold a public meeting in Bengal, it is denied. All the papers are proper, but the TMC, they deny. Amit Shah can go and hold public meeting in West Bengal. Modi can go, Nadda can go, CPM can hold rallies, CPM can hold public meetings. But when it comes to Asad Owaisi, we are denied permission. We live in democracy, Arnab. We follow the constitution, and not only that, the hypocrisy of the TMC is totally exposed here, Arnab. There are MPs in the Lok Sabha,
Prakash
in the
Mishra,
Rajya
why
Sabha,
aren't you
they
letting
shout
Owaisi
about
campaign in
democracy,
Bengal?
secularism,
Owaisi, why aren't you
everything
letting
that
Owaisi
goes
campaign in
Tagore,
Bengal?
And their face is different in West
Owaisi,
Bengal.
do you know, why aren't you letting him
He will
campaign in
defend
Bengal?
you.
One
Can
is
I come
Pathan
in?
is a private
He will
helicopter.
win.
He wants
Can
to
I
bring
come
his
in?
helicopter and
Can I
campaign
come
all
in?
over Bengal. Why aren't you letting him campaign in Bengal? He started by complaining.
Can I come
Prakash
in?
Mishra, yes, you must respond to that, please.
I very intently listened to your conversation with Babul Supriyo. You were spot on asking him that how come that what was your desire has now been translated into EC directive in relationship to the schedule. Well, there is a very high level of symmetry and convergence between what the BJP has been talking about and what the EC has decided in terms of the schedule. Well, it is not about political geography. It is about electoral geography. It is not only about the many different phases which the people of Bengal, they have been subjected to so far as election is concerned. We are all fine. You can have 8 pages, you can have 15 pages, no problem. But question is that how come there is no logic, there is no rationale, there is no justification. What a stupid idea, and I'm not questioning the election commission, all my respect, but what a stupid idea.
Stupid! You're calling the election commission announcement stupid. You called it the EC announcement stupid on live television.
I'm not calling the election commission.
You just said stupid.
I'm saying that this is a stupid idea to think in terms. Please, let me complete, Arnav. Question is that the election commission schedule, where is the logic, where is the rationality? Do you know political geography? And you do know 330 kilometers apart, Malda and North Kolkata voting together, and you are redoing the districts. So what is the logic? I can understand the logic in relationship to security forces deployment. I can understand the logic in relationship to the possible threat from the Maoists. I can listen to any amount of logic, but I cannot accept, I cannot understand something illogical, something stupid, something Malda being bracketed with,
Om Prakash Mishra.
So therefore, it is
Om Prakash Mishra before Sudhanshu Trivedi jumps into the debate right now and responds to you here, let me tell you viewers, 1 minute. Now Om Prakash Mishra, you can't behave like a Formula 1 car on steroids. You've got to stop. I am your speed breaker. Please stop. Question is this, Om Prakash Mishra. Mr. Mishra, please listen to me. What is the date today? First of all, tell me. What is the date, Om Prakash Mishra? What is the date? 26th February.
You tell me.
Right?
You are
26th
hosting the
February 2021. On 25th February 2021, which means yesterday, your party spokespersons, Derek O'Brien and Brotto Basu, said, we have no problem. We have absolutely no problem. If elections are conducted in 7 phases or in 9, yesterday you said no problem. Today there's such a huge problem that the Chief Minister has a press conference on it. Why are you changing your line? Yesterday you said it's okay. Today you say Narendra Modi told the Election Commission to announce a 8-phase election. This is what your spokesperson said yesterday. I have quoted your own party spokesperson, Mr. Mishra. Now Sudhanshu Trivedi will respond to you. See, you have no reply to what I'm saying. Sudhanshu Trivedi's turn.
Arnav, Mr. Mishra was saying that he was unable to understand the logic.
What is the logic?
Mr. Mishra was saying that he was unable to understand the logic by which, in manner, when Election Commission had decided this. Sir, the logic is very clear and simple. When the defeat is inevitable, then you have to build up the premise well in advance. So this type of allegation by TMC is nothing but an acceptance of an inevitable defeat. Because what's the problem with them? They have to fight election only in Bengal. The problem should be with the BJP, whether we have to fight in Assam also, Tamil Nadu also, Kerala also, Puducherry also. So we are not having any problem, and you are having problems, sir. In 2016, it was a 7-phase election, no problem. In 2011, it was a 6-phase election. When your party come into power, no problem. Now, even till yesterday, any number of phases, no problem. Suddenly, the phases have come. It has become a problem. I would just like to remind, there was a time in Indian politics when Bihar used to be known for poll violence. Unfortunately, in the last couple of decades, that place has been taken by West Bengal. And as far as your problem with the person who is also seen in the next part of our TV screen, Mr. Waris Pathan, प्रॉब्लम जानते हैं क्या है? मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि इनकी पार्टी से आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है? वो विकास का वोट काट रहे हैं कि बेरोजगारी का वोट काट रहे हैं कि
महंगाई का वोट काट रहे हैं? कौन सा वोट काट रहे हैं? या फिर मैं बताऊं आपको, देखिए दुखों की कहानी ये है, सुनिए,
MIM has entered Bengal and we will be contesting elections.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, Mushara, time for 1 second, Sudhanshu Trivedi.
TMC
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
और ओवैसी है नया दीवाना। अब दोनों के बीच में जलन होना तो स्वाभाविक है, इसलिए दोनों एक दूसरे पे एलिगेशन लगा रहे हैं। एक है आशिक पुराना, एक है नया दीवाना।
को भी हराएंगे, TMC को भी हराएंगे। अर्नब, the BJP and the TMC।
अरे भाई हम तो ओवैसी को
one is playing the politics of hatred, everybody knows that. The other is playing the politics of appeasement, which will not work. Owaisi has entered. Owaisi entered Gujarat and we won there handsomely. Now we are entering West Bengal. Can you stop us? You can deny permission to us. What is this? You have two faces, TMC spokesperson. Please tell Mamta, don't show your two face. One face is different in the parliament, in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The other face is different in West Bengal. There you speak about democracy, there you speak about secularism. But in West Bengal, when we apply for permission to hold public meetings, you deny us. Why? Why? We live in a democratic country. If Modi can hold rallies there, why can't Asad Owaisi? If Mamta Didi can hold rallies there, why can't Asad Owaisi? If the TMC, the CPM, everybody can hold rallies. Because you are afraid. There's a frustration in Mamta Didi that if Owaisi comes, because people love Owaisi, people have seen the work of Owaisi, and people will go with Owaisi. And this time, let me tell you,
no, people like Owaisi have become a threat for the country.
8 phase or 10 phase
the people like will be a threat for the country. But unfortunately, you have been backed up, supported, and sponsored in the politics by these type of secular parties. I would like to remind, MIM became the first part of the government in the undivided Andhra Congress party.
So many questions are raised. Let me respond.
When Akbaruddin Owaisi has given such a doubtfully statement at the time, there was an MIM Congress coalition government in undivided Andhra.
So-called secular parties. No, they put the
No, अरे आप तो सेकुलर से बहुत आगे हैं। अरे वो नाम तो कम से कम सेकुलर रखते हैं, आपका तो नाम ये मजलिस से इत्तेहाद मुसलमान।
अरे आपको वॉशिंग मशीन बन गए सुधांशु त्रिवेदी। पहले जो टेंटेड मिनिस्टर थे TMC में, आपके यहाँ आते ही साफ सुथरे हो गए। वॉशिंग पाउडर निर्मा, साफ सफेदी की धुलाई।
मुझे बीच में क्यों रखा हुआ है? ये तो मिले हुए हैं।
धब्बा था जिन पे आज साफ हो गए। अरे
अच्छा ये बताइए,
आज चैलेंज
जब एलिगेशन लगता है तो आप कहते हैं दागी नहीं है, जैसे वो छोड़ता है तो दागी हो जाता है। I want a clear categorical answer.
Okay.
When the allegation was on Mukul Roy,
all right, now, let me bring the debate back on track. Let me bring the debate back on track. Sudhanshu Trivedi, आप एंकर नहीं है, रुकिए आप. Let me bring the debate back on track. Back on track. The debate will come back on track. I want Kanchan Gupta. I want Subir Bhomik. I want Monojit. I want Savio to have a say. I want them to have a say. Oh my God. Waris Pathan, relax. Now my question is, viewers, I think it's a great thing.
To go and solve their problem. Please, Sudhanshu ji,
Waris Pathan, first you tell Asaduddin Owaisi to give me an interview.
बताइए.
Then we'll go forward.
Law वापिस लो.
No, you first tell Asaduddin Owaisi to give me an interview, then I'll ask him many questions. I will ask Asaduddin Owaisi many questions when he faces me one-on-one. Now, 1 minute, Sudhanshu, now let me bring it back on track. Okay, enough. Now my question is tonight. My question is tonight. My question is tonight, and I will not be interrupted. I will not be interrupted. Kanchan Gupta, Subir Bhaumik, 1 minute, calm down. What is wrong with multiple poll phases? I never realized, Subir Bhaumik. Kanchanda, today after the announcement of elections, I thought everybody will be very happy that there are elections in Bengal are going to be over many phases.
No, I really don't see why. I really don't see why people should be upset. Because the first time the Trinamool Congress came to power, it was a multi-phase poll. Till recently, the Trinamool was saying that we don't care in how many phases the elections are held, it's okay with us. So why is it suddenly it has struck them that a multi-phase poll may not be in their interest? And I would like to draw, today a particular video has been going around where Mamata Banerjee is seen telling her supporters that don't worry about the security forces. You use the women of your home as your shield and confront the security forces. Now, this sort of gives an insight into what is happening in their mind. And what is happening in their mind is that they are increasingly fearful that a multi-phase election, and I think in every phase, it's only 30 to 35 seats. In this situation, the security deployment would be very effective. There would be an attempt to prevent electoral malpractices. And definitely, there would be a greater effort to minimize electoral violence. So in this situation, I think the Trinamool feels disadvantaged. And it is that sense of disadvantage that is coming to the fore when they protest these multi-phase elections.
I want to, Kanchanda, on that note, I want to shoot a Brahmastra with your kind permission and with the permission of our senior colleague, Subir Bhaumik. I want to shoot a Brahmastra at our friend Om Prakash Mishra from the Trinamool Congress. Mr. Mishra, please stand straight so that I can take aim at you and shoot my question. Mr. Mishra, my question to you is this, and I hope my audio is going clear. I would like to tell you that in 2011, Mamata Banerjee said the Election Commission is absolutely fantastic. It's a great institution. It's a wonderful institution. And do you know why she said that? Do you know why she said that? She said that because the Election Commission was going to hold a massive multi-phase election in 2011. And she said, this is so good that the Election Commission is holding a multi-phase election. At that time, 2-3 phase nahi tha. It was a 6-phase election, which was a big thing in 2011. And she said that you have to hold a multi-phase election if there is a law and order concern. She said that there has to be a law and order concern. Law and order and state-sponsored terrorism is a massive issue. And in order to make sure that there are no law and order issues, the Election Commission must hold a multi-phase election. And she said, I greatly welcome the Election Commission's decision to hold multi-phase, 6-phase elections in Bengal because this is completely understandable, and this is not just understandable, it is necessary given the acute problems of law and order in the state of Bengal. This was said by Mamata Banerjee 10 years back. Did you hear that, Om Prakash Mishra? Did you hear that? This is Mamata Banerjee said this, sir. And today the same Mamata Banerjee, for the same reason of law and order, today there are 8-phase elections in Bengal. She says this is terrible. She says it's the central government which ordered it. No, come on now. Om Prakash Mishra, you have no answer to my question. You have no answer to my question.
Yes, I have many answers to your question. You need to have patience. You need to.
It was okay in 2011.
You have to give me at least 1.5 minutes. I have already said, it is not only about the phases. It is not only about the phases. It is the electoral geography. Election Commission goes by political.
No, you
geography.
said it's about the phases.
Is in play.
No, you are
And-
changing
and
things
the
now.
entire election
You are
schedule-
changing your
election
argument now.
schedule is
After my
all
question, you
about
are doing a
how-
U-turn.
And when Assam is voting and how.
Oh, the
other
same
states
election
are
schedule,
voting.
same format was
therefore, when
fantastic in
5 states are
2011.
going to poll, why so many different standards?
Oh, no.
are being applied? And
I think I caught you
asking
red-handed.
And nobody is answering.
No, I caught you red-handed.
I'm asking you.
Did I catch him red-handed, Savio?
North Kolkata.
Savio, did I catch Om Prakash Mishra red-handed on that question?
That what type of?
I caught him
what type of
red-handed.
synergy?
Absolutely,
Even Monojit
Arnab.
will admit I caught him
Absolutely.
red-handed.
Between the BJP
In
and
2016,
some of the people who are responsible.
In 2016,
so please come with logic.
they had
Please
a
come with
7-phase
rationality.
election
Please come out
in
with
West
justification.
Bengal.
And
In
do not
2016,
do not talk
a
about the
7-phase
phases.
election,
We are ready to
Arnab,
fight the
in
election
West
in
Bengal.
many phases.
So
You
what
can have
is
50
Mamata
phase, no
Banerjee
problem.
afraid of?
50 phase you can
This
have.
election.
But then logic.
Is
Where
it a
the logic?
weakness?
Where is the
Is she
logic?
Om Prakash.
threatened by the
Banerjee is not
BJP?
nervous. This is the BJP.
Om Prakash, he says, where's the logic?
To cry horse because they have no face.
2016, you
They
had
will
a
not be able
7-phase
to
election.
face us in the election. We are not
7-phase
bothered about
election.
the
I
BJP.
continue to question.
BJP doesn't represent an
Mishra.
electoral challenge. BJP
You are
represents a political
continuing to
challenge
be
to us,
afraid.
not an
You're
electoral
behaving
challenge. We
like a
are in a
political
very,
party who is
very
afraid.
good position. We are going
You are
to win
behaving like
more
Sudhanshu
than
makes a comeback.
240
Afraid.
seats. We are not
Get into the
challenged by
fight
the
and fight
BJP,
the
but we are
elections
challenged by
Sudhanshu makes a comeback to the debate.
We are challenged by how
are you
constitutional democracy is supposed to be is being
Why are you
undermined.
whining, Mr.
We are
Mishra?
challenged by the fact that
Last
how
year,
country is being
2016,
run,
the last
how it
election,
is being governed.
Subir Bhomik
how-
making a comeback. 1 second, Subir Bhomik. Subir Bhomik, Subir Da, 1 minute.
We are bothered about the constitutional.
Sudhanshu comes back. Subir, 1 minute. Subir Da is making a point. 1 second, 1 second.
BJP is
Su-
not going
Subir-
anywhere.
Subir Bhomik.
Let them go and have a
Subir
walk
Bho-
into Punjab. They will understand that what actually happened in Bengal
If I have
also.
the opportunity
We
to
are
speak,
asking
I
certain
will,
questions. Question
because
of rationality, question of justification, question of rationalization. We should be told that how this schedule has been arrived at and what is the logic. How come?
Sir,
How
Om
come there is
Prakash
a
ji,
symmetry between what the BJP
let
is saying
Subir Das
and what
speak.
the
I
schedule has come
personally
about?
believe,
How come
Arnab,
that there is a connect between
that
the election
if
dates in
you
Assam
have the
and the election
ground
phases in
in
Bengal?
your
That is
favor,
the question that we
5
are asking.
phases,
We are
4
asking the question
phases,
that
8
why
phases,
South
really doesn't
Dinajpur and
matter.
Malda they have been put at the last. We are asking the question that why
Arey,
Kolkata
what are you
is in the last phase
दूसरा लोग को
and
भी
tagged along
बोलने
with
दो
the
ना.
Malda and
What is
What are
going
you
on?
afraid of? Whether
Exactly.
7
Now let
No,
me say
where is he
something.
now? It is going to be Om Prakash Mishra versus Subir Bhomik, I think. 1 minute. Let's pick Om Prakash Mishra and Subir
No,
Bhomik
it's
back on the debate with
not
Monojit and
versus-
Sudhanshu, please. Thank you. Subir Da must be allowed a chance to speak. It's 9:31.
Murshidabad.
9:31.
Yeah.
9:31.
Okay. Now let me make my point quickly. Bengal has witnessed multi-phase elections before. 6 phase, 7 phase, now it's 8 phase. It's increased.
Yes.
But the point, let me make 3 things clear. Now, I don't have the details to say whether there is any, disconcerting lack of logic in the kind of deployment. It's a security issue. Om Prakash, my good friend, was trying to raise this Malda and somewhere North Calcutta on the same day. Now, that's besides the point. That's something, it has to be analyzed, and that's up to the law and order people to decide. Wait a minute, please don't interrupt, okay? We all listen to you politicians very quietly for a long time. But if you want to raise your voice, I can raise it 3 times, right?
I'm not a
Now,
politician.
please listen. Then I am not a politician, and thankfully I'm not one.
I'm asking you a
Thankfully,
logical
I'm not one.
question.
No, wait.
Neither am
So,
I.
my
But I'm asking
argument
you a
here is that people in Bengal broadly have decided which way to vote. It really ultimately does not matter.
Yes.
Maybe it's useful for those who conduct the elections to ensure that there is no major breakdown of law and order, so you have multi-phased election, so that there is some kind of, it becomes easier for deployment or redeployment of central security forces, because the number you will get for Bengal is limited. And you have to deploy them intelligently in different phases at different places. But broadly speaking, let me make this point very clear, that if people have decided to vote a certain way, they're going to do it. And the best of rigging machinery
Exactly.
cannot. Mamata Banerjee used to complain, CPM read korche. Till such time, people had not decided to bring her to power. She made all these noises and people still voted CPM. And then she's in power now. The people in Bengal have broadly decided which way to vote. This rigging करके भाई 1-2% इधर उधर होता है, इससे ज़्यादा कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Nobody really can, swing the tide either way.
Who are you hinting at? Who are you hinting at, Sudhanshu? Who is he hinting at?
Actually, what is
खुलकर
happening
बोलिए.
in Bengal today?
Speak freely.
So people who have,
TMC.
but
The issue of
before you pass it, before you pass on to somebody else, let me give you a small piece of nugget of information. Siddiqullah Chaudhary, very important minority leader in Trinamool, today has said he's standing down. He's not going to contest because he's felt upset. He's not been given due honor by the Bardhaman State Party unit. Siddiqullah is an important leader, okay? There are many people who have, gone away from the Trinamool and, they are not so big. People have been making a lot of noise about them. ये बहुत important है, नहीं है. Yeah, but Siddiqullah is an important leader. And Maulana Siddiqullah Chaudhary is also closely connected to the Islamist clergy here in Bengal. So if he is standing down from the elections, and that's not very good news for Trinamool. Maybe Trinamool still has, grassroots support, and I don't doubt it. It's not a cakewalk for anybody.
You're saying the Trinamool, okay, I'll get a response. Sudhanshu Trivedi, Monojit on the debate, Monojit on the debate. Sudhanshu Trivedi is on the debate, Monojit is on the debate. And Monojit, basically the point being made here. Basically, the point being made indirectly by Subir Bhaumik is that he's trying to say that Trinamool is nervous and talking about dates because it's sensing something. But Monojit Mandal cannot sense. Monojit, are you also not sensing something?
Certainly not.
You're sensing something. See, Subir Bhaumik is sensing something.
Everything that the TMC
are you sensing something?
TMC is going
what are you
to come
sensing?
to power with thumping majority. That's what I'm sensing. That's what I'm sensing. I'm sensing that Mamata Di will have more time to campaign in all the 294 seats. Yes, it's an insult to the people of Bengal. You talk about 2011 election.
Congress is going to lose,
had 3 mass murders before that election. So it was absolutely just and right to have 7 phases election in 2011 because you had Singun.
Then why are you attacking the election commission if you are sensing that?
Mix up the context.
If you are sensing victory, Kanchan Gupta, if he's sensing victory, why is he complaining about the EC? No, I'm sorry. No, what you're sensing and what you're saying are two different things.
People of Bengal will take that. People of Bengal will take that insult and reply back. Because Mamata Di will have more time to
why are you shouting if you are sure of winning?
All the 294.
Sir, why are you shouting on the top of your voice?
Yeah, why are you shouting if you are so confident of victory?
If you are so confident, confident people are silent people.
Why have you grown?
No, I am not shouting.
Why have you grown so unwisely old, sir? I want to understand. Why have you grown so unwisely old? I want to understand. I want to understand this, please. You have grown old, but very unwisely so.
Yeah,
I'm making a point. I'm making a point. It seems that I'm shouting at you. After half an hour, I have got the chance to speak, and I'm not shouting, sir. I'm making a point. You can jolly well reciprocate.
That is not going to affect me at all.
I'm making a point.
You are just showing what you are made of. And you are showing what the Trinamool is.
Making a point.
You are just an example
you have
of the crash of the Trinamool.
You have the habit of cutting.
You are just an example of the hoodlums.
My point.
How dare you speak to me like that? Who are you?
Loudly and Mamata Di, who are you, sir?
Huh?
Who are you, sir? Who are you, sir? Who are you, sir? Who are you, sir?
No, you don't need to make personal points. No, 1 minute.
Exactly.
Monojit
Mandal. All kinds of
Yeah, why get into personal issues, yeah?
I'm not going to leave.
That's all right. Monojit. Manojit, let me tell you, I know Kanchanda for a very long time. 1 minute, let me tell you one thing. Hello, Mr. Young Man, Manojit Mandal, let me tell you, if there is one of us who's the youngest at heart, it is Kanchan Gupta. So don't tell him he's become unwisely anything. He's the youngest at heart among all of us. Kanchanda, 1 minute. But point ashi, to eta korbe na. Debate take derail korbe na. Don't derail my debate. Eta hocche na ki? এরকম করবে না না ডিটেইল করবে না আমি going to stay on the point আরে if you're so না এটা ভুল হচ্ছে this is wrong I object
no he's making all kinds of nasty comments about us. He's making all kinds of nasty comments about us.
I don't care about you. Who are you?
Who is us?
Why should I make nasty comments about you?
Who are you, sir? Who are you, sir? That's what I am asking. That how could you go so unwisely old?
This debate is amazing. Who are you? I have got to cover 294 assembly constituencies. I don't have time for this. না আমার 294টা অ্যাসেম্বলি কনস্টিটিউয়েন্সিকে আমাকে দেখতে হবে আমার সময় নেই এইসবের জন্য 294 কনস্টিটিউয়েন্সি কভার করব না করবই না সরি I am confused. I thought this is Republic Bangla. I started speaking because of the launch of Bangla. Now you have to stop. Now there are non-Bangla speakers also on the program. I want to go 1 minute. Stop it. Anyway, no, stop it. This is anyway difficult conducting a debate, and I can tell you to conduct a debate among a lot of Bengalis on politics is impossible হচ্ছে আমার জন্য 1 মিনিট এত ডিবেট করেন আপনারা 1 second. My question is to Om Prakash Mishra to come back to the debate with Sudhanshu Trivedi. Om Prakash Mishra, Brahmastra number 2. When Hillary Clinton came to India in 2011, you know who she met? She came all the way to Calcutta and she met Mamata Banerjee. I think then or later she came. And you know, when I don't know if it was 2011, but when she came to India, she went to Calcutta, she met Mamata Banerjee. And Hillary Clinton, Mamata Banerjee's friend, said that the Election Commission of India is the gold standard in election management worldwide. Did Mamata Banerjee object to it? No. Now she praised it. She said the Election Commission is great because it conducts multi-phase election because of law and order issues. Now you please tell Sudhanshu Trivedi, you have done a complete U-turn. You are abusing and attacking the Election Commission. The Election Commission works in Australia, Bosnia, Brazil, Chile, Fiji, Georgia, Kyrgyz Republic, Libya, Mauritius, Nepal, Mexico, South Africa, Russia, Korea, Yemen, all these places the Election Commission of India goes and helps in conducting elections there. Am I wrong, Sudhanshu Trivedi? मुझे हमेशा लगता है जो national institutions है, the national institutions should be respected. You know, you may be in power today, you'll be in opposition tomorrow, but why attack institutions? Sudhanshu Trivedi, why attack the institutions? Sudhanshu Trivedi wants to say something. Sudhanshu Trivedi
is much more deeper and serious than what it looks like in the first premise. Because in Bengal this time, the enforcement of a free and fair election or free from intimidation will not be limited to just in the premises or the periphery of the election booth, because they can be intimidated even a couple of kilometers away from the election booth. So everything has to be taken care of. So there should not be any untowardly incidents, or you can say mishappening anywhere. So it is required that the proper deployment of the police and proper deployment of the electronic surveillance, CCTV and others should be there.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, she's asking you one question. Sudhanshu Trivedi, the question that Mamata Banerjee is asking you is also important. She's saying why in half a district elections are held in one day and the other half of the same district elections are held the other day. You please answer that question. I want Om Prakash Mishra to answer that as well.
Yes.
Answer that question. I want Om Prakash Mishra to respond to that. Within the same district, 2 days,
which are having a highly sensitive or volatile areas, it is for the
central agencies to decide. Definitely before the election, the state officers are also concerned and the IB reports are also being there. Based on that, the decision is being taken in certain volatile areas. For example, I give an example. During election, if there is a curfew in one part of the district, and that district will not go to the poll on that day. And the other day, after a couple of days,
before we know that,
relax, then it will go. So you have to think over it.
Shorter answers. Trinamool Congress response. Om Prakash Mishra, he's given an argument. He's saying, so what Sudhanshu Trivedi is saying is required to give the paramilitary more time to mobilize from one location to the other. He's saying the paramilitary has to mobilize from one reason to one place to the other. He's given a logic. Respond to that.
Yes, my understanding is very simple. Election Commission has the authority, Election Commission has the mandate, and incidentally, and something that actually your channels reported already, that our leader Mamata Banerjee has welcomed the EC's decision. We have also said there are 7 pages, 9 pages, or even 50 pages. That is not the issue only.
No, you attacked the EC today.
That we have
You attacked the EC today.
How this scheduling has been
You
done.
attacked the EC
Because as you have yourself admitted, there is a very high level of convergence and symmetry between what the BJP has been saying and the type of election schedule that has come about. And secondly, I would like to point this out to you that this very
Mr. Mishra, are you afraid of the number 8?
The logic is absent here. If the logic is absent here, this definitely would be questioned.
They don't have a problem with 7 and 9 and 50.
We are ready. We are super ready. हमने कहा है खेला हवे. We are in a competition. Let there be competition. And let the central forces come to every booth. There is no problem. Let the central forces come to every booth. But then, how come that there is a symmetry? How come that there is a convergence? How come that in India, under the present BJP dispensation, every institution, including the institution that we are talking about, many questions have been raised, many issues have surfaced, many type of questionable decision in terms of who will be in, who will be out, who is getting retirement.
Waris Pathan still wants to make a point about OSC not being allowed into Bengal. Waris Pathan.
All this is coming on.
Waris Pathan.
Perverse way. There is a perverse attempt to control the institution in the past 6.5 years that we see.
My first question is, if you believe in democracy, you believe in constitution, then why a person, an MP, Asad Owaisi, who can speak in the parliament, was denied permission yesterday to hold a public meeting in West Bengal, when all the documents that were submitted were proper? Why permission was denied to him? My second question is that we never contested election in West Bengal. The BJP won 18 seats. Why do you blame us for the debacle which is caused due to you? My third question is that all your senior leaders have left you and joined the BJP. Now why do you hold us responsible for that also? So why don't you introspect within yourself and come out clean rather than putting the blames on others? My simple question, sir, please answer. The nation wants to know why, on what grounds, what are the reasons?
Om Prakash Mishra has not heard a single question of yours.
In West Bengal yesterday.
Om Prakash Mishra, you need to hear the question. He asked you 3 questions. I'll repeat one. Om Prakash Mishra, you need to listen. Om Prakash Mishra, you are like a runaway train. You are like a runaway train. Please listen to me.
When all these documents were proper, when an MP can speak in the temple of democracy in the parliament, why permission was not given to him? When Modi, Amit Shah and Nadda can make their public appearances, can hold rallies, why MIM was denied permission? What were the reasons for denial? Do you have any answer? Please, the nation wants to know. Give us a
I think he's not answering the question. He's heard you. He's heard you, but he's not answering the question. I have 30 seconds left. Om Prakash Mishra!
You got it right.
Om Prakash Mishra! Om Prakash Mishra, listen to me. Listen to me, Mr. Mishra. Mr. Mishra, why won't you let Asaduddin Owaisi campaign in Bengal? Do you think he will split the Muslim vote?
Let them campaign. Who is asking them not to campaign? Let them
He
campaign.
has heard my question,
Let
but
them
he's
go to
evading
Jammu
it
Kashmir.
deliberately, because
They have gone to
they don't have
Gujarat.
any reasons.
Let them contest all the seats in Hyderabad. Let them contest in Telangana. Let them contest 294 in Bengal. Okay, let them contest. 294 MIM, they are so eager.
Why did
they
you
are
deny
so
permission
impatient.
to us
Everybody
yesterday?
wants him to contest.
Give
You are
me
so
a
very
simple
eager
reason.
that
Give me a
contest.
single reason.
Please
Why
come. Please
permission
come
was
to
denied to
Murshidabad.
Asad
Please come to
Owaisi's
Coachbihar.
public
Please
meeting
come to
yesterday,
North
where
Kolkata.
all
Please
the
come to
documents
Kolkata.
were proper,
Don't forget
where he can
Bankura,
speak in
don't forget
parliament,
the
why
fight.
can't he
There
speak
is
in
no
Bengal?
problem.
When Modi,
Alipurduar
Amit
mein
Shah,
aa
Nadda
jao,
can hold
dost.
rallies,
Alipurduar
why
mein aa
not?
jao.
Then why do you
Aap
talk
yahan
about
par
democracy
Bankura
and
mein aa jao,
secularism,
Birbhum mein aa
sir?
jao.
You are showing your hypocrisy. Your hypocrisy is exposed before the entire nation. Your one face is different in the parliament, the other face is different in West Bengal.
मेरे साथ आपका कोई वर्सेस नहीं है मेरे साथ आपका
अरे
कोई
परमिशन
versus
क्यों
नहीं
नहीं
है। मैं तो
लड़ेंगे
आपको
तो सही
सम्मान के साथ कह रहा हूं।
हम लड़ेंगे
आप लड़
भी
लो,
और जीतेंगे भी
294 जगह में
आप
लड़ लो,
कोई नहीं होते
पूरे ऑल
रोकने
इंडिया
वाले
पार्टी बन जाओ,
अभी
मुझे
तो
क्या है?
इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ने
हाँ,
कोड
पर
ऑफ कंडक्ट
आपके साथ
लगाया
जो तालमेल
हम
है,
उसके
आपके साथ जो
Let me ask Sudhanshu Trivedi. Sudhanshu Trivedi, should Owaisi be allowed in Bengal? Sudhanshu Trivedi will make it three-way. Sudhanshu Trivedi, should Owaisi be allowed in Bengal?
आपके साथ हमारा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आप लड़ लो
Now, I just
आप
want
बहुत
to
लड़ो
remind-
जबरदस्त लड़ो
अरे
आसाम में लड़ो
man,
तमिलनाडु में
citizen of
लड़ो
this country.
आप केरला में
We
लड़ो
live in
अरे
democracy
पूरी चोरी को
before
में
the
मत छोड़ो
Constitution.
पूरी चोरी में भी लड़ लो
I
यूनियन
should be
टेरिटरी है तो
allowed
क्या है
anywhere in the
30
country
सीट
to
है
go
वहाँ
and
भी
make
लड़ो
my public meetings.
तमिलनाडु में
Moदी
234 सीट
can
है
have
वहाँ
public
लड़ो
meetings.
केरला में
Others are
126 सीट
Amazing.
126 सीट है वहाँ लड़ो
All right, viewers. Sudhanshu Trivedi, last one, 10 seconds, please.
बंगाल में
इतना-
आइए
just one
294 सीट है लड़िए
मिश्रा जी इतना अधिक बेताब होने की क्या जरूरत है ये जो जिस वोट बैंक के लिए आपके दिल में दर्द है ये आप ही ने लेफ्ट से छीना था कांग्रेस से छीना था आज कोई और छीनने को भी आ गया है
गीता का ज्ञान समझिए ना जो आज तेरा है कल किसी और का था परसों किसी और का था आने वाले कल में किसी और का भी हो सकता है आप ये सोच के कैसे रह सकते हैं कि हमेशा आप ही करें
अभी
I thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for that fantastic Bengal debate. And when I come back at the SDPI versus RSS fight that's going on in Kerala, more on that, viewers, back in a few minutes.